Welcome to the Book Club Podcast, the place where hidden truths and untold stories come alive. Life, relationships, struggles, healing. It's all here. So keep watching, subscribe now, and share this with someone who needs this conversation. The next story could change everything for you or for them.
Pain has a memory. It doesn't always live in your body. Sometimes it lives in your soul. That heartbreak, that betrayal, that one moment you never asked for, but can't forget. You wake up fine, but then something triggers you. A smell, a sound, a face in the crowd, and suddenly you're right back in it. That's because pain doesn't just disappear. It waits until you're ready to release it. But here's the truth. Letting go isn't pretending it never happened. Letting go isn't excusing what they did. Letting go is choosing not to let that pain define you anymore. It's saying, yes, it happened. Yes, it hurt. But no, it will not hold me captive. When you let go of pain, you're not losing a piece of yourself. You're reclaiming it. You're making room for peace. You're making room for joy. You're making room for a life that isn't built around old wounds. So don't be afraid of letting go, because the truth is, the moment you release the pain is the moment you step into freedom.